So now let's see how we can work around with time machine effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the time machine effect, first of all you need to go around onto the file menu and then go around onto import. So once you go ahead and do that, you simply need to choose an image that you want to apply the time machine effect to right here. So once I bring in this particular image, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and then I'm going to go around over here onto camera, let's say for example, and then I'm going to choose time machine right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that it turns it out as if it is an old photo. You can go ahead and choose different presets right here, and then you get old photo like effects, as you can see right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the intensity of these effects right here. You need to go ahead and bring it down or bring it up right here, just like this, to make it look older right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the time machine effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.